Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Raisa and today we're going to be talking about the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. Now let's address the first thing about this product. It's gorgeous color. I just want to show it to you guys real quickly. It's this beautiful blue and loads of people have asked where does this product get that color from. So let's talk about the ingredients first. The main ingredient of this product is called Kbeauty, which is derived from chamomile, and that's where it gets its pigment from. So it's absolutely natural. There are no additional artificial colors or anything of that sort in this product. And it also has one of our favorite ingredients. It's Centella asiatica. Now these two are the main ingredients in this product. Other than this, it also has ceramides and a few peptides. So it's an all-in-all great moisturizer that you can use every day for most skin types out there. Now, why should you use the Midnight Blue Calming Cream over anything else out there, right? This is especially for the summers, if you're sunburned, if you have cut yourself with a razor, if your skin is extremely red, inflamed, or really hot. I know this sounds really weird, but the Koreans give a lot of emphasis to the temperature of your skin. So they do, formulate loads of products to kind of bring down the temperature of your skin, and this product does a brilliant job at that. Now, a lot of people who have a lot of redness are usually ones with sensitive skin, and this is perfect for people with sensitive skin. It's actually tested on sensitive skin and it works absolutely fine for you guys as well. One more question was which skin types can kind of use this. So this can be used by all skin types across the board, right from oily skin, combination skin, normal, dry, sensitive skin, everyone out there. However, if you do have dry skin, what I would say is definitely use this, but you'll have to probably use another moisturizer on top because it could be not like your ideal moisturizer one. It could be slightly lighter for you. Let's just put it that way. It could be lighter for you. But other than that, you can totally use it during the day, during the night. I do know it says Midnight Blue Calming Cream, but it can be used during the day as well. It has no active as such that, forbids you from using it during the day. So you can use it both times, so that's absolutely fine as well. And they do come in two sizes now. It's a 30 ml and a 60 ml. So if you love this product, then you could obviously bump up to the 60 ml after using this little baby right here. I think that's about it. We answered most questions. When it does come to actives, it can be paired with everything. So if you are using retinols, you can use this with a retinol as well. If you are using AHA or BHA, totally can use that with this as well. There isn't really any active out there that you can't use it with. However, always do a patch test. That's something we say every time because everyone's skin is so different no matter what. You must patch test if you aren't sure or you're slightly scared. It's just best to do that way. So patch test around your jaw or like at the back of your ear for 4 or 5 days in a row, and after that you can just implement it in your skincare routine. I hope this helped, and if you have any more questions about this product, then definitely leave some comments down here and we'll definitely get back to you. Till then, see you soon. Take care. Bye.